Africa, and there's been another difficult legal ruling for the country's President Jacob Zuma. The High Court has set aside a decision to drop corruption charges against him. The court held that the decision was, quote, irrational. In a statement, South Africa's presidency says President Zuma is considering the ruling. CCTV's Yolisa Njamela has more.
The charges, 783 in all, stem from an arms deal South Africa agreed to back in 1999. President Jacob Zuma has always denied the allegations, but never got his day in court to clear his name. Back in 2009, just before the elections that brought Zuma to power, the country's then chief prosecutor, Mbeki, dropped the charges. On Friday, judges in Pretoria ruled that decision had been wrong.
His sudden, inexplicable turnaround on this matter is clearly irrational. We find that Mr. Mbeki found himself under pressure and he decided to discontinue the prosecution of Mr. Zuma and consequently made an irrational decision. Considering the situation in which he found himself, Mr. Mbeki ignored the importance of the oath of office, which demanded him to act independently and without fear and favor.
Zuma can still appeal, but for the official position which took the matter to court, Friday's ruling is a victory.
We're absolutely vindicated, and it is clear that Jacob Zuma can never be allowed. Any person, any president should never be above the law. All of us are equal citizens under the law.
The ruling comes just weeks after the Constitutional Court held that President Zuma had breached his duties to uphold the Constitution, that time overspending on his personal home, Nkandla. The country's current chief prosecutor must now decide whether to reinstate the corruption charges. Just last week, an official commission of inquiry found there had been no evidence of any corruption linked to the arms deal by any government officials. Yolisa Njamela, CCTV, Johannesburg, South Africa.